welcome back to the channel. Now, I need your help, right? I've had my N54 335i for 7 years now. It's been a great car, and of course is what honestly has built this channel to what it is, because that's what my sole focus has always been. Now, granted, I have a lot of you viewers out there that have N54s. Some have other BMW engines that also watch the videos, because there's other things that can relate as far as the chassis goes from the BMW side. Now, I've always wanted to add N55 content, which I've been looking at, N55 cars, of course, do videos on that, but I'm kind of at this weird place as far as what I really want to do next to my 335i. So this is where I need your guys' help. What are your thoughts? What do you think I should do to the car? Performance mods, outside mods, stuff like that. Let me know down in the comment section below. Very curious to see your guys' feedback on that. So that way I can, freshen it up and just do something different. I'm all about doing something different, of course. I've been doing this whole kind of sleeper look / stock kind of look. So that's why it looks like it is. I've added other different things to the outside of the car that are minor updates, but it gives a nice overall appealing look, I guess to say, from that. But I want to, like I said, do something different. So let me know what your thoughts are on that. Like I mentioned about the N55 car, I really want to do that so I can offer those kind of videos, DIYs and stuff like that. But the N55 is somewhat limited as far as overall, power output. Would like to do a B58, so I'm curious on that. So also let me know what you guys think as far as, the next car here on the channel. All right, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the week, so far. More stuff to come here this weekend. I'm trying to finish up an actual DIY, another one in the interior. So that's gonna be coming here this weekend as well. All right, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks guys for sticking around, and we'll be chatting soon. Take care.